In this video, I will show you how you can take a scrolling screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open any scrollable page. For example, I will open settings, and after you do that, now just capture a normal screenshot. I'll open the control center, and from here I'll tap on the screenshot button. After you capture your screenshot, you will find this dock over here. Now just tap on the scroll button over here. And after you do that, you will start scrolling and you will start capturing a long scrollable screenshot, just like that. Now once you're done capturing your screenshot, just wait for a couple of seconds and it will save the screenshot automatically, or you can tap anywhere on the screen. And after you do that, now to view the scrollable screenshot which we have captured, just go to your home screen and open the gallery app. And as you can see, this is the scrollable screenshot which we have captured. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.